Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, September the 27th, and very special day. Today it's not only my birthday, but it's Sharon and I, it's our anniversary, and married 50 years today. And one of my friends called me today, and what he said to me was he didn't think the wedding would last as long as the cake did. But hey, we fooled him. 50 years, I don't know where the time goes. Anyway, enough of that. Today we are combining soybeans. We got, well, it depends where you were. At my house we got 4 3/4 inches of rain on Wednesday, and we haven't done much this week. Just been too wet. And today's Saturday, and we're just getting at her finally. The soybeans are just about 14.2, so we're at her. These are this is a variety called New Age 2000s. They look pretty good. We'll see how we get along with them. Anyway, that's what's going on. I'll bring you back as we get going along today. I'm just opening up this field, and as you can see, it's pretty clean. And there's 225 acres in this piece. We would sure like to get it off today. Jared is running the other combine in a different variety on another farm, but there's only a few acres there, and then he'll join up with me and we'll try to get this done. Yeah, we got Wes and Cameron, and they're in the other combine. We've got the 9460 on the buggy. We usually don't do that, but yesterday that was the only tractor that we had that had a hammer strap on that was handy. We had another tractor we could have used, but we didn't have the duals on it. We didn't have the hammer strap on it. So instead of doing all that, we just put the 9460 on it. It's made to go on the buggy anyway, or it can. So might as well use it. It's sitting there. Anyway, this is Sunday, the next day. I kind of got the boot yesterday at 5 o'clock and didn't get this video done. Yesterday being my birthday, they thought they would give me an early, go home early, and Jared was kind of out of a job, so he kicked me out of the combine, which, hey, we got the kids home from the college or university. They want to work and I want to let them, so that's like a match made in heaven. These beans are running in the mid 50s, I hope. We'll see when we get done. This field had a breeder plot in it. We got that done today here. We're just getting going. Last round I forgot I had auto steer and didn't push the button. Oh well. We were going to start today at noon, but the beans were a little bit tough, so we waited, sat in the lawn chairs for actually an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. Cameron happened to have the lawn chairs with him, so we done that. Anyway, this field looks pretty good. No weeds. There's just a little over 100 acres here. About 103 or 4. We hope to be out of here by 5 o'clock and move to another farm. Just, I think it's about 5 miles away. And I'll bring you back maybe when we get over there or later in the day. We'll see how it goes. Oh, I'm kind of out of wind. Anyway, good morning. It's day 4 of combining, and it is just, the sun is just coming up. Nice sunrise this morning, not much dew. What I wanted to do today, I could show you combining all day long. Hey, that gets to be repetitious and boring, and ask me how I know. So what we do every morning, we have this morning we ended up with 6 wagons loaded last night, so they'll come this morning and empty them. We do that every day. And the other thing, first thing in the morning, I come with a tank of fuel. I've already fueled up the 660, and I'm fueling up the 770 now. The 770 takes government juice. I usually give it a jug or 2, whatever it takes. And I was riding with a neighbor the other day, and he didn't have a shark's fin on his combine. I wanted to show this. This is what we call a shark's fin. And the only time you need it, if you're going down the edge of the field and it's only like a part swath, the grain will come along and hit that shark's fin and go right in. If you don't have that, it shoots right on by. Anyway, that's just a little thing that we stuck on there. You can buy those from, I think, there's a company in the States, if you watch Sunny Farms, it's called Lakota, I think. And they make those. Those were made in our own shop. Maybe not painted as nice, but hey, does the job. It was painted once, but the paints wore off. Anyway, I have this old tank here, my old truck, and this is what we do every morning. It takes about, I'm usually an hour and a half by the time I get to where the combines are. And right now we're about probably 8 miles from the yard, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, by the time you get here and fuel them up, and then when I'm done, I fill the tank full. So tomorrow morning I just got a hook on it first thing, and away we go. And that's what we do. Now, after I leave, Frank will come with the service truck. He goes over these combines. He checks every knife. Sometimes we'll have a broken knife blade. One of these will break off, or if it hits a stone or something. He comes along, he checks that. He greases whatever needs greased and whatnot. And we find, he blows out the air filter. We find a little bit of preventative maintenance goes a long ways. And usually we don't have many problems. Now, yesterday I had a broken end on my auger. The rubber was getting wore out, and he happened to have a hunk in the truck, and he made up a new one. Had it right in the service truck. He carries a lot of stuff in the truck, and that's, you know, I don't know what that ends up costing us through the year, but it sure saves a lot of time. Once we get going, we usually never stop. Yesterday we did I think close to 240 acres, and we were on 5 different farms, so that's pretty good, all that moving. I mentioned that Frank comes along and services these combines, and he showed up just as I was finishing fueling, and I wanted to get a picture of these graphics. We ended up buying this truck at auction, and we didn't even have to put the graphics on it, and they're pretty close to what we have. They're the right color anyway. That's a 9560. Ours is 9460. So close. Anyway, I just thought I would catch that. He's just greasing up. Then he'll blow out the air filter and whatnot. Anyway, that's gonna about end it for this soybean video. I've told you all I know. I could show combining all day long, and I don't know if you want to watch that or not. Anyway, if you've liked this video, give us a like. If you haven't subscribed, now would be a good time, and I love comments. Tell me what you think. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one.
He gets up before the dawn, packs a lunch and a thermos full of coffee. It's another day in the dusty haze. Those burning rays are wearing down his body. And diesel's worth the price of gold. It's the cheapest grain he's ever sold, but he's still holding on. He just takes the tractor another round and pulls the plow across the ground. Sends up another prayer. He says, Lord, I never complain, I never ask why. Please don't let my dreams run dry. Underneath this Amarillo sky. That hailstorm back in '83 sure did take a toll on his family. He stayed strong